Metrics Learning is an online learning platform designed to help self-motivated individuals upgrade their skills and excel in their careers. This system offers three main features. The first is the Career Pathways tool. This step allows you to target one of 200 different occupations and receive a recommended learning plan based on the skills required for that occupation. Here's how it works. You will initially be brought to a list of generic skills. Rate your proficiency from none, basic, immediate, advanced, to mastery in at least 25 of the skills. You will only need to complete this assessment once. When complete, click Continue to Pathways. This is the Career Pathways tool. First, select a target industry, like business, then a goal occupation, like Human Resources Manager. Based on the answers you submitted in the self-assessment, a wheel will populate identifying the skills associated with your goal occupation and how you've rated yourself. Blue and green indicate that you either meet or exceed the skill requirement, while red indicate that there's a skill gap. If you notice any blank skill areas, this means that you had not initially rated yourself in the skill. You can do so at any time by clicking on the Rate Skills button here. Skills are categorized at 4 progressive levels: Foundation, Industry, Sector, and Occupational. As you take training to remediate your skill gaps, your progress will be updated here. Scroll down to review your recommended learning plan. Skills are listed in ascending order and their colors correspond with their skill level. Click on the skill title to see all of the courses associated. When you're ready to begin, click on the Add to MyPlan link on the right. Now that the course has been added, you can launch the course directly from the Career Pathways tool at any time. Most courses consist of pre-tests, lessons, and a post-test. To pass the course, complete the final course test with a minimum score of 80%. You can retake courses and tests an unlimited number of times until your metrics license expires. After completing, you may notice that your course won't update right away. This is normal, but please contact metrics support if you do not notice any updates after 24 hours. As you complete your training to remediate your skill gaps, you'll notice your red areas updating to blue or green. Step 2 of Metrics will direct you to the Skill Tracks page. Skill Tracks are bundled groups of courses that focus on a particular skill, which have been organized into categories for easy navigation. Completion of an entire skill track results in a digital badge which can be used to boost your resume and professional profiles like LinkedIn. Click on the orange triangle to the left to see all of the courses associated with the skill track. To add a skill track, click on the Add to MyPlan link located on the right. To see all courses Metrics has to offer, you can go to the catalog. Courses are listed alphabetically and can be sorted by keyword. The Type column lets you know who the course is provided by and the category of training. All e-learning courses are marked with green icons. The briefcase is for Skillsoft's business, desktop, and IT courses. The beating heart is for Medcom's healthcare-related content, and the wrench is for Amatrol's manufacturing courses. Test-only activities have orange icons. Instructional videos are blue, and other content like tutorials or PDFs are pink. Depending on the licenses associated to your Metrics account, you may only have access to one or a few of these. Use the keyword box to enter a topic like Excel 2013, then click Go to see the different resources Metrics has to offer. To learn more about a course, click on its title, and then add it to your MyPlan. The last way to browse for courses is by certification track. Option 3 beneath the catalog menu. Certification tracks are like skill tracks, but focus on a specific industry-recognized certification. Divided into 3 categories, business, desktop, and IT, the certification tracks can help you prepare for over 100 different industry-recognized certifications, including Microsoft Office Specialist and Project Management Professional. Completing a certification track does not mean that you are certified. However, certification tracks are intended to provide all-inclusive training to help you prepare for the real exam. Once you're ready to begin your courses, go to your MyPlan. The MyPlan is where you track and manage the courses you've decided to take. Every course you add, whether through the Career Pathways tool, skill tracks, certification tracks, or the catalog, will be stored here. The Assign Track column lets you know if the course is associated to a group, and to the right, the order in which the course should be completed. To start a course, click on the upward arrow icon beneath the Action column. The course will then appear in a separate window. Once a course is launched, you will notice that your status will update to started with an orange bubble. Once updated, your course status will reflect a completion and you will have immediate access to your course certificate when you click on this PDF icon. To delete courses from your MyPlan, click on the last X icon. You can also filter your MyPlan for not started, started, and completed courses by clicking on their corresponding checkboxes. The keyword search filter allows you to look up a specific course or even the assigned track. You can toggle between your MyPlan and My Report pages using these navigation tabs. The report will display any badges you earned through completing skill tracks. Below is an overall summary of the courses and hours you've completed in metrics, as well as details of your progress within each course. Your report can always be exported into an Excel spreadsheet when you click Download Overall Activity Report. The third and final step of metrics is to find a job. Click here to be directed to Indeed.com, the largest job posting site on the web. Next, please be sure to visit the My Account page to ensure that your account information is accurate, especially your email address. We refer to the email address on this page to contact you about any support-related issues, so please keep this updated. Lastly, if you have any questions on navigation, please review our tutorials and other support options located beneath the Help tab. If you'd like to contact our support team directly, click on Support and create a new support ticket. The Metrics support team will respond within 1 to 2 business days. Once you begin training, your Metrics Learning dashboard will update to reflect your progress. This concludes the Metrics Learning orientation video. Best of luck on your e-learning experience, and remember, the Metrics team is here to help.